Hi everybody, welcome to this week. We are going to be finishing up the Edmentum portion of tutorial this week, of evolution, sorry, this week, not tutorial. And we are going to then next week be doing completely separate stuff that is not inside of Edmentum. And then that's going to wrap up evolution for us, and we will take a mastery test next week. This week there's actually only two assignments. There is the tutorial. Of course, you need to take the notes, and of course I've included the instructional video for the tutorial. And I want you to do the activity called the artificial selection in the English Bulldog. And I want you to be working on that, and that's all you have to do this week. Now, I've got instructional videos showing you the whole thing, but please make sure this week, I really think the extra videos over here, the extra stuff I throw in over here is really important. So I need you to make sure that you are watching these. This is the Amoeba Sisters. They talk about something called speciation. That's really important, something we are talking about. All this is stuff we're talking about in the tutorial, but we talk about speciation. We talk about two types of speciation called allopatric and sympatric speciation. There's a video from Khan Academy that helps clear that up. Normally I don't particularly care for Khan Academy. I think Sal is kind of, his name is Sal Khan, by the way. I think he's kind of dry. If you can find the right one, though, he does a really outstanding job. And so this one, I think, it's short. It does a great job of explaining the difference between allopatric and sympatric. There's another video that I want you guys to watch. It's on coevolution. That's a lot of what we talk about. I want you to look at that, specifically kinds of coevolution, such as mutualism and parasitism. Then for the bulldog, the English bulldog activity, before you even do that, you might want to watch this video over here called Artificial Selection and Domestication, and maybe look at this website that I reference inside of my explanation for the explanation video for it. It's about how ancient wolf DNA can explain where the dog or dogs come from. We know that dogs come from a black wolf that was in northern Siberia, but we don't know how long ago. Some people thought it was 20,000 years ago. Some people think it's now down, based on this, now down to 16,000 years ago. By the way, this article is 6 years old, and I think what it says is still holding as scientifically the current theory. So just to give you an idea of we kind of discovered this 6 years ago, and we're still thinking about it. In fact, they made a movie about this kind of thing. What was that movie called? I think it was called Alpha or something. But you know, how man kind of domesticated dogs from black wolves. But that's it. Now, the instructional video for this activity is fairly short, but I do give you a good idea of what I want you to do. So you need to watch this instructional activity, or this instructional video. It's going to clear up how I want you to do this activity. Okay? I'm only asking you to do the tutorial this week and the activity. So the activity is going to be half of your work this week. Yes, you have to write a 5-paragraph essay, and you're going to get graded pretty hard on it, so make sure you do a good job. But that's all that I'm asking you to do this week, so please get to work. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.